What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing all of the stuff I ordered on Amazon, the last live stream video I did. All of it came in, everything is here. In this video we're going to be unboxing it and then just talking about it, why I purchased it. And then the next video is going to be me hooking it up, get it working, and I'm going to walk you through all of that. But today, right now, I'm going to just unbox it all. The next video I might be in the same shirt, because I'm literally gonna do it right after this video, but it's gonna be two different videos. So with that, let's start out with unboxing the lenses that came in. I got two lenses, because remember this is a 2-camera setup, so I did purchase two lenses. Here is the 24-105, and then here is the 70-200 f4. They're both f4. I think that's gonna be great for this church. They have plenty of lights, pretty awesome, and both cameras are full frame, so it's gonna work out great. So with that, let's do the 70-200 millimeter first. Obviously, I opened all of these out of the Amazon box first to make sure it all came in, but I didn't open the actual product yet. So I think this camera over here, you could see me unbox it. And that's it. As you can see, that is it. Beautiful. Let's make sure the exposure is right on this camera. Yep. Okay, so there's the 70-200 f4. It is a 72 millimeter, not a 77. For some reason, I thought it was going to be a 77. I didn't look at it, but shouldn't be a problem at all. 72 is still fine. But here is the product, and the last live stream video we do, you're going to see it in action. So it's a pretty awesome lens for what we're going to be using it for. So that's the first product that I purchased, not that I purchased, but that I unboxed. And it did come with a, this for the sun. It did come with a case, as you see here. All the Canon cameras come with that, and then it comes with the packaging. All right, so the next item is the Canon 24-105. Like I said, I own one of these lenses. If you watched the last video, I own one of these. These are awesome lenses, I love them. This one still has tape on it, and I have no knife. Let me see if the paper clip will work. Yep, paper clip worked. All right, so here is the 24-105. Same packaging as the other one. All Canon lenses come the same. As you see, same case. Probably just a little smaller, since the other one I think is longer. Paperwork, put to the side. This, throw down here. Okay. And here is the actual lens, 24-105. I love this lens. It's a beast of a lens. Comes with a lens cap, obviously. This is an amazing lens. Love it. This is going to be for the moving camera, for the run and gun camera that's going to be moving around. So there it is. All right, so both of our lenses are over here with the lid caps. This one does have a lid cap as well, as you see. Okay, so the next product I want to open, obviously I'm gonna open the cameras last, but to keep you guys engaged, I'm gonna open up these Hollyland receivers. Pretty awesome. We're gonna find out how awesome they are, but this one I already unboxed just to see what it was about. Hope you could see here. All right. So it comes with the packaging, of course. Put that over there. And here are the products. They did come with batteries as well. So I got two of these, so I won't be opening up both of them on camera, but I did get two of these. The batteries came in a separate, it came with a charger, but since you buy it on Amazon, sometimes you get the pack that's a knockoff, but it still works. And then the batteries that it came with are right here. It came with, obviously I got extra ones, but it did come with batteries as well. So that is that. It did come with, antennas for both. Obviously it's gonna do that. It came with, you know what? I never opened up this black box in the middle. So let's do that now if I can. Wonder what's in the black box. Oh, okay. So it comes with attachments and it comes with a charger. So if you want to plug it in straight to a wall, don't have to worry about a battery, you can, and it comes with an attachment for the camera. So that is pretty awesome. And it comes with a USB-C, a USB. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Yes, it did, nice. So, did come with that, pretty awesome. And obviously, it does come with this as well, which is pretty nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put all that back in. I'm gonna throw the actual paper away after I get everything out, because we don't need the paper. Okay, so like I said, I'm only gonna open up one for the sake of time. There's no, I mean, the other one has the same stuff in it, came with the same exact stuff. This one did. There's no difference at all. The next video is the one that you're gonna wanna stick around for, because the next video I'm gonna be showing you guys how they work, hooking them up, all of that good stuff. All right, so the next thing, see, here's the other one. Not gonna open it because I just opened that one, but there it is, two of them. Okay, so this is the next item. Before I open this, obviously, I mean, I really don't have to open these on camera, but these are the RF by EF adapters that came with the cameras. You know, y'all knows what these are. These are not the Canon version, they're the knockoff versions, but they still work. My boss has a couple of these. They still work. I'm not gonna open these on camera, but they're here. Okay, and then also, here's the extra battery that I got for the camera. I ordered two, but only one came in, so I'm still waiting on another one. It did come, and here's the other batteries for the receivers. And the receivers also came with this, which I think is worth mentioning, because this is actually a pretty awesome product. The camera picks that up. It came with this, which is an adapter that goes to your camera, to the thing, and it has a swivel. Pretty cool. So the receivers did come with this as well. It was just, you know, attached in a different box, and it came with a little tool. So that's awesome. So we may or may not use that depending on how our setup goes, but it came with 3 of them. So pretty awesome. Okay, what else? Also, sorry, remember I bought the extra batteries for the receivers? They're huge. Holy cow, they're huge. Look at these batteries compared to the other ones. Look at this. Big difference. Big difference. Let's see if they actually work. Let me see if I could actually plug it in. That's something I didn't even do yet. Let's see. It kind of has me worried. I'm sure it'll work though. Let's see. Yep, they work. Let me turn it on before I say that. Yep, it works. As you see, that big old battery is gonna last forever. So I'm glad I bought the battery. They're really big, but you know, it's not like they're gonna be holding it. They're gonna have tripod. With a moving camera, they might have to hold, but if the battery is too big, they can just put a smaller battery on it. Okay, so now for the Atem Mini Pro. This thing, as you see, it still has plastic on it. Did not open it. We're gonna open that now, and let's see how it goes. I think this thing's gonna be way smaller than I anticipated, which is cool. So it comes with directions, as you see here. Comes with all the directions. Comes with a power cord, obviously. Comes with some adapters in case you live in a different country. It's pretty cool. And then you get down to the main item, which yes, it's way smaller than I thought it was. But here it is. As you see the size of my hands and you see the size of the board, it's way smaller. And here is the back of it. I don't know if the light is reflecting too much, but there it is. Pretty awesome that it's small. I mean, it's pretty cool that it's small. I'm glad it's not too big. But yeah, there it is, and here it is. And as I said before, make sure you stick around for the next video so you guys can see all of this stuff in action. So the last 2 items are the cameras, which I'm only going to open up one because there's no sense in opening up both. They are the exact same thing. But I am going to open up one right now for you guys, which is the Canon EOS RP, which, as you know, is good for live streaming, full frame, shoots 1080/60, clean HDMI out, and I might have to blur that out. Nope, there's no information on there. It's just warranty stuff. Here's the directions. Comes with a charger, which I did get another charger. Comes with a battery. And then it comes with a strap, which I doubt they'd be using the strap. We're gonna build these things out quite a bit. And here is the actual camera. So it has everything that I need, everything that we need for the live stream. It's gonna be awesome. Brand new cameras, they feel great. Awesome, awesome cameras. So that is everything. We do have another camera, like I just said, but I'm not gonna unbox it because it's the same unboxing as this Canon EOS R. So with that, thanks for watching. Make sure you come around for the next video. It will be out probably the next couple days after this one. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. Have a good day.